JL712 G3L single lamp intelligent controller adopts the wireless communication mode of LTE-CAT1, which has the ability of light sensing and microwave sensing, and supports local wireless linkage function. It can still be linked when the network is disconnected. The dimming output mode is 0 to 10 volts. You can use our UM9900 management system for remote monitoring and configuration. This product is only suitable for detecting pedestrians and low-speed vehicles less than 20 kilometers per hour. Installation. The interface of the product itself has been foolproof design. The installation only need to tighten the controller directly to the rotatable base. Insert and tighten clockwise as shown in the figure below, and remove it counterclockwise. If the negative pole of the auxiliary power supply of the driver is separated from the negative pole of the dimming interface, they need to be shorted and connected to the light controller number 2. If the light controller is installed very close to the light source surface of the lamp and the lamp power is relatively large, it may exceed the limit of the reflected light compensation and appear to turn off itself. Because the Jaga light controller does not have the ability to cut off the AC power supply of the driver, the customer needs to select a driver with an output current close to 0 milliamps when using the Jaga light controller. Otherwise, the phenomenon that the lamp cannot be completely turned off may occur. As shown in the output current curve of the driver specification, the lowest output current is close to 0 milliamps.